This query let us get specific about the different committees, indicating how much each one had given, the average amount, and the number of donations, and so forth. Now let's bring in the third table, the candidates table, to get specific about how much each candidate has received. So before we go any further, let me just go ahead and save this query. Let's call this, let's see, committee donations. I think I'm going to capitalize this because I've done that with the others as well. There we go. And let's close that out. In fact, I'm going to close out all this and just kind of clean house a little bit here. And let's start a new query. I'm going to click Create, Query Design. And this time I'm going to add all three tables. All right. And let's see, we have candidates, donations, and donors here. And the first step, as with the two-table query, is to link these three tables. The common field for candidates and donations is this candidate identifier field over here in candidates. And over here in donations, it is the item underbar CAND right there. So I'm going to hook those two together. Whoops, it got away from me. Hold on. Hold still. There. And then in the common field between the donations and donors tables is this item filer over here and committee identifier over here, or committee identification over here. So there we go. All right, so I've got the three tables all linked up and ready to analyze. Now down here in the query design area, let's see. We think about what information I would like to get. I think obviously the first thing I want is the out of the donors field, I want the health sector field so that I can select only those donors that are in the health sector. So I want that, and I would probably want to put a yes down here in the criteria area so that will show me only the donors who are in the health sector area. Let's see, what do I want to know next? How about let's go with the candidate name right here. So now I'll learn which candidates got. Actually, let's see. Let's not do this just yet. Let me. Let's go with the party designation right here, the first one. This is the one that tells us whether the Republicans are Democrats or something else. Now let's go to the donation field and pick up the amount of the donation right here. All right. And now remember the totals function. Let's bring that into the analysis. Let's have it group by health sector. That's fine. We actually don't even need to show that. I'm going to uncheck it. And we're going to have it grouped by the party designation. So it's going to put all the Democrats together, all the Republicans together, and so forth. And then for the amount given, let's sum that as we did with the individual candidates there. And go ahead and sort that, sort the whole output by that field in descending order with the largest at the top. All right, that was kind of convoluted, but let's see what we get here. I'm going to click this run icon. And here we go. Looks like we have, wow, about $1,255,460 given to Democrats compared to $563,682 given to Republicans, and then $3,000 given to this R here, which could be some kind of typo in the database. We'll look at that. But plainly, the contributions to Democrats rather outweigh the contributions to Republicans in this analysis.